Dumb comments of Bollywood stars. Alia Bhatt. During her initial days in the industry, Alia was asked who was the PM of India, to which she answered Prithvi Raj Chauhan. Cute-looking actress Alia was trolled for her stupid answers all over the internet. For this reason, she is considered as one of the dumbest celebrities in the industry because of her answer to a question in a famous chat show. Varun Dhawan. Varun is often trolled for his overacting comic scenes in his films, and for this reason, he also gets trolled for his dumb comments. During the promotional events of Dilwale, Varun stated that Dilwale is the Hindi version of Christopher Nolan's film Inception, which made people laugh out loud. Salman Khan. Salman Khan stated that for his rough and tough training throughout the day for the film Sultan, he felt like a raped woman. This insensitive comment went totally wrong, and people, including his fans and followers, criticized him. Many Bollywood celebs also said against the comment and bashed the star for the comment. Kareena Kapoor Khan. Doting daughter of Kapoor Khandan, Kareena Kapoor has been a spoiled brat in this industry, and she is famous for her bitter mouth. Everyone knows that she never thinks twice before saying or commenting on anything. Once she was asked about the hardware of her laptop, and she responded by saying that she knew nothing about her laptop except its color. This overreacted actress once said that no other heroine could do a character as intense as her in Main Prem Ki Deewani Hoon. Sanjay Dutt. Bollywood's daring actor Sanjay Dutt has often received black remarks from women for his patriarchal comments. He was trolled on social media for counting the number of those girls whom he dated. He was bashed for his male narrow-minded comment that his father Sunil Dutt did not allow his sister to act in films. Sonam Kapoor. This beautiful actress is actually famous for her dumb mouth and stated some ridiculous dumb comments on others. Sonam said that in Bollywood, the looks is everything. If something is not good looking, they can't be good actors. Rimi Sen. This actress was last seen in Bigg Boss house, and she is now out of limelight. But she literally ruined her career by saying a racist comment during the promotion of Golmaal. She said that Rohit Shetty is such a good director that he can make a black African look pretty. This racist remark made her receive backlash from people. Vivek Oberoi. Vivek started his Bollywood journey successfully, but he is famous for his hot-tempered and arrogant attitude. Once he confidently compared himself with famous Hollywood star Heath Ledger while he was portraying Carl in Krish 3. Amisha Patel. This flop actress still wants some Bollywood attention from media by making dumb comments and strange behaviors. She once stated that she became just lucky that her situation is not as bad as Mamta Kulkarni or Meghna Godse. Malika Sherawat. This actress is considered by many as an idiot for her ridiculous comments. Without any logic or sense, she compared herself with Barack Obama for her achievements. Himesh Reshammiya. Himesh Reshammiya often looks overconfident about his films, and he often comments ridiculous things. Aspiring hero Himesh said that his first film Curse could be compared with any Khan films. Anu Malik. Anu said once that girls were crazy for him in abroad and they agreed to one-night stand with him. For this ridiculous comment, Anu was backlashed in Bollywood. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.